first graders. It is Thursday, April 2nd, and you're probably wondering, what was the kazoo music all about? Why did she play that for us? Why did she include that in the video? Well, we're gonna get back to that later, okay? So that's for something that we're gonna be doing later on today, okay? So the kazoo music does have something to do with our video for today. Okay, so also I've been grading all your work that you turned in last Friday, and all the grades are posted on GradeLink, so you can go ahead and check out your grades and how you're progressing and see how you're doing on all that, okay? So keep it up, keep turning in that work on Fridays, and I really appreciate how hard you guys are working at home. Okay, we are going to start off with our freckle points now, and this is from Tuesday, March 31st. And we have Jaden got 20 points, Kylie got 30. So our team points are odds are at 20 and evens are at 110. So the evens are winning with 110 right now. Okay, now today, what you're going to be doing today for your schoolwork is that you're going to be doing, first of all, your daily language. You're going to do Thursday, and you're also going to do day 4. Now, in your Words Their Way book, you are going to finish up sort 33, which is going to be on page 132. All right. Now, for handwriting in your handwriting packet, you are going to work on the uppercase letter E, uppercase E. Now, remember, you are not going to turn this whole packet in on Friday. You're just going to turn in the pages that you complete. Okay. So don't turn the whole packet in. Make sure your name is on there so you can get credit for what you're doing. All right. Now, today for social studies, you are going to go onto the Scholastic site and you're going to do the activity that is called Learning Empathy and Kindness. And you're also going to take out your writing journal and you're going to do the draw and write activity that is called What Would You Do? So you're going to draw, you're going to write, and then also remember to color, okay? All right, then today at 1 o'clock at our regular Zoom time, we are going to do, in our math book, we're going to do pages 547 through 550. And we're going to do the chapter 7 review, like we talked about yesterday. We are going to do the review because we are going to have a chapter test tomorrow. So also, I just want to talk about something for Zoom. For Zoom, I'm trying to just make sure that we're more safe and we only let people in that are in our class. So that's why we have a waiting room now. And also, when you put your name on there, your ID, make sure you use your real name because that way I know it's you and I can let you in. And that way we could just make sure that we're keeping everyone safe and in a good environment so we know who is in our Zoom meeting. Okay, so no nicknames that I don't recognize, okay? So I'm sorry about that if I didn't let you into the meeting yesterday and you had a little bit of problem getting in. But thanks for your patience on that. Okay, now, getting to the part with why the kazoo music at the beginning, Mrs. Johnson, what was that? It had to do with anything. Okay, so for today, we're gonna do an art project. And I'm actually gonna give you a few days to do this. Your art project, it'll actually be due this by Monday. So you're going to make it at home. And I sent a link to your parents on Remind to give them directions, but I'll also have a link on GradeLink as well so that you know how to find the directions for this. But you're going to make a kazoo and you're only gonna need a few items from home. You're gonna need an empty toilet paper roll and you're going to need a pen because you're gonna have to make two holes in it, in the roll. And then you're also going to need a rubber band. And you're gonna need a little piece of either wax paper or parchment paper. Now, if you don't have any of these items, if you don't have a rubber band at home or parchment paper or wax paper, have your parents send me a remind message because I can go ahead and supply that for you. I can leave that for you in the work that you're gonna be picking up on Friday. So I don't want any of you to be able to miss out on this, making this project. You're gonna make your own kazoo at home with these items, okay? Then after you make it, while you're making it, I want you to decorate it. You can color it with crayons, you can paint it, you can add stickers on there if you want, you can tie yarn around it or ribbon or little beads or to hang off it, whatever you want, however you want to decorate it. So I'm looking forward to seeing all your pictures that you're gonna share with your kazoo creations, okay? And you should be able to blow in it and it should work, okay? All right, so I'm excited to see all the remind messages that I'm gonna get with your pictures coming through for that, okay? Also, another thing that you're gonna do is today you're gonna do a science assignment, and it is on going to be on Edpuzzle, and it's called Sound Waves. And for Edpuzzle, you're going to need a link to be able to join, because I am going to invite you to join the class on Edpuzzle. And the link is on the top of our grade link page, so you can just follow that. And I'm going to have the actual link for the assignment on the grade link page too, on your to-do list for today. Okay, so when you complete the assignment, it's going to ask you for like a student name or a student ID. Don't put your actual name. All I want you to do is put your student number, okay? That way, when you complete it and you answer the questions, when you're watching the video, then I will get an email from Edpuzzle telling me that you did it, and that way I can give you credit, okay? So don't put your name. All I want you to do is just put your student number, okay? All right, so that's all for today, and I miss you all, and keep working hard at home, and do a great job today, okay? Thanks, bye.